In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite with controller on PC, PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up a PlayStation 4 controller so you can play Fortnite on PC. This is going to work as long as you have a standard DualShock or even DualSense controller. You will be able to customize everything about the controller, change the keybinds, and use it on any game mode available on Fortnite. So usually, by simply plugging your controller to your computer, this should be enough. But if you plug your DualShock controller to your computer, you try pressing any buttons, and you notice that nothing happens, then you will have to take an additional step. Now, all that you have to do is download this tool called PS4 Windows. As the name suggests, this is going to help you set up any DualShock or DualSense controllers that you connect. Those controllers can have a lot of problems when connected to Windows PCs, so this tool aims to fix those problems. All that you have to do is visit ps4-windows.com, click download, download once again, and you will be able to extract this tool somewhere. Now open the exe file, and first you will have to install some drivers. Just go ahead and get those set up. Once you have the drivers good to go, when you open this, you can click Start, and as long as you have your controller connected to your PC, either through a cable or wirelessly, it should appear on this list. Now sadly, I don't have an actual DualShock controller to demonstrate this process with, but if you do, it is going to appear right here under the Controllers tab, and then you can switch over to the Profiles tab. In here, you will have the default profile, which should be enough for you to play. Just make sure that the controller appears on this list and the default profile is selected, and you will be good to go. You can make new profiles if you wish and customize every single option about the controller, but this isn't a strict requirement. Once you have the controller set up with a profile selected, you can open Fortnite, and now the controller should be detected. If you still would like to customize the controller, press the Start button, go over to the settings in here, and then switch over to the Controller tab using L1 and R1. Once you finally reach this tab under controller mapping, you will be able to change the platform and ensure that the PlayStation 4 controller is working and all the buttons are assigned properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite with controller on PC, PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.